start by applying this body roll-on by Chemist at Play in the variant Aqua, and this smells so good. It has 5% AHA that exfoliates your underarm without making it too dry or irritated. And of course, it helps in 24-hour odor control. Guys, I go to martial art class and you can imagine how much I sweat. But still I don't experience any kind of body odor. I just love it. Next, I'll apply this Swiss Beauty Kiss Candle Lip Balm. And you guys know how much I'm obsessed with my Laneige lip balms. But finally, I found the perfect alternative because Laneige lip balms are not affordable for everyone. You can get it under rupees 150, even 100, and it works like all the expensive lip balms. And I love how it gives a very subtle tint. It looks so good. Now I'll apply green French clay, and this buddy not only looks aesthetic but is very effective on skin. As someone with oily skin, I love using clay mask because it helps a lot in oil control. And this French clay mask exfoliates my skin, helps in oil control, and the best part, it helps in deep cleansing. And this is way more efficient than charcoal masks. Now I'll use this body lotion by Wishcare, and it's their SPF body lotion. And this is something I got influenced into buying after watching so many influencers using it. This is so popular, and after using it, I know why. Number one, it reduces tan. I observed that my tan reduced by 80% after using it because this gives excellent sun protection. And number two, it has niacinamide and ceramide, which brightens up your skin. Yes, my body looks much more glowing than before, and the ceramide supports the skin barrier. But when you apply it, it glides like a butter and gets absorbed within few seconds. And after that, it gets vanished into the thin air. You won't feel that you have applied something on your body. Now my face mask has dried almost 80%. Now it's time to wash it off. I don't really dry it completely. Now I'm done with cleansing. Next, I'll apply my favorite toner, which is Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid Toner. I'm sure you are tired of me admiring this product, but I can't help, this is so good. This is the best Korean toner I've been obsessed with since a long time because it hydrates your skin from within and gives you the glass skin effortlessly. This has an essence-like consistency, but it gets absorbed so perfectly. Because of that, I can layer it as many times I want. But generally, I go for 3 layers when my skin feels too dry. Otherwise, I just apply 1 layer. Next, I'll apply another Korean product, and you won't believe this is such an affordable product. I got it for 140 something, and this is an essence which has AHA. Now, if you have oily skin, you know around this time, tiny bumps are very common. They are very annoying and they won't go no matter what you apply. But finally, I found something that's effective on them. This essence is very mild. It gently exfoliates your skin, and it's very effective in reducing those tiny bumps and textured skin. Next, I won't apply a moisturizer because my skin feels already very hydrated. I will use this Pilgrim Hyaluronic Acid Sunscreen. Now, this is very moisturizing, and this works as a moisturizer and as a sunscreen. So I don't layer up too many products. I'll take it on my 2 fingers and divide them into 4 equal sections because this is very important that you evenly apply the sunscreen on your skin. And that's it for my skincare. Now I'll apply this Trust Me Hair Serum, which hydrates my skin and makes it so smooth and manageable. I like this variant, but I like the Ultra Gloss version even more. That's much better than this one. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. I've tagged all the products that I've used in description. So I'll see you soon. Till then, annyeong.